Okay, why I have put more bandages? Because I want whole the electrode should be in contact with the skin. If I put only one, only that area will be in more contact, other area will be not in contact. It will be up like this. So that's why I have put more bandages so that whole electrode will be in contact with the skin properly. Okay? If there is a narrow connection, then the problem of having skin resistance in that area will be more and chances of burn will be more. If it is a smaller area of connection. Larger area of connection, chances of burn and chances of skin damage are less. Okay? For iontophoresis, they are using different kinds of electrodes. Especially aluminum, you know aluminum? Aluminum sheets, usually they use for the iontophoresis. Because these rubber electrodes, you are dipping in a medication. So that medication will react with the carbon, what is there in the electrode, and after that it will release a harmful substances to the patient. So 1 or 2 times is okay with the carbon rubber. But for 5 sessions, 10 sessions, it is recommended to use metal electrode. You know what is metal electrode? Aluminium, iron, steel. Okay, metal electrode. Rather than using the carbon electrode. And when you use carbon electrode more for iontophoresis, what happens is carbon will crack. You know cracking? Crack, breaks. Okay, carbon will break. After that, the resistance by the electrode will be more. Again, that is also a problem for the patient. So, you have to be very careful when you are choosing the treatment. Okay, and choosing the electrodes, choosing the medicine, choosing the current, and positioning the patient, properly tying the equipment, adequately mixing the solution, and every 5 minutes put the solution. Select the potential, that is positive or negative. Okay, you 4 are very big problem in the class. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next time, I don't want to see all of you 4 together sitting in any place. If one sits here, next one will be here, next one will be here, and next one will be here. Am I clear? Yes. Almost 8 more minutes, then his treatment will finish.